adjusting. This one's gonna be a little lighter, just to prep. Come around this way. Axel, no barking. Stop barking, Axel. There it is.
Yeah.